I am back to the spot that I was at last time. All of you said I need to go back to see if there's any other cool stuff I can pull out. So I'm back here. It is a little chilly and overcast, so I don't know how long I'm gonna last out here. You all know I'm spoiled and I don't do too well in the cold weather, so you'll have to excuse me if I'm a little sniffly today. That's what happens when I'm out in the cold. So anyway, I'm super excited to be back. We'll see what we can find. See you soon. Oh man, it is way colder out here than I thought it was going to be. But that's okay. We're still gonna get some magnet fishing in and hopefully find some cool things. Stay tuned. Alright, I got something on there. What is that? Oh, another battery. This one's best of installed by 2010. Not as old as the other one, but I'm glad I got that out. Ooh, I got another bobber. Oh man, Vinny would have been excited. Check that out. Awesome, and there's a weight. Woohoo! That's a pretty new one. What is it? No freaking way. No freaking way. You guys, it's another phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this has got to be so old. It's a flip phone, you guys. Oh man, I don't even know if I can open it. Holy cow. Wait. One of these bad boys. Wait, no. Oh man, that is so roached. You guys, I got another phone. Holy cow, this one obviously is not recoverable whatsoever, but look at that. I feel like this is the kind of phone that you're gonna throw out on purpose. Holy cow. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes. Second phone. This is crazy. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Oh, I wish it was in better shape, but it is what it is. Woo! Alright. Alright, I think... Oh! What is that? Oh, it's real. Or at least part of it. Check it out. It works. Look at that. Oh man. Huh, what's that? I think it's a lure. Yuck, a jelly lure. Alright, let's get all this fishing line out of here. Oh, look at that. Look what I missed. Another bobber. This one's broken though, but that's okay. At least I pulled it out. You guys, I'm literally shivering right now. It's so cold out here. And I am obviously not properly dressed as per usual. Okay, let's see what I got. No. Oh, wait. Ooh. Guys, check this out. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, he's cute. Oh, he's heavy too. Wow. Holy cow. How cool is that? He's heavy. I think I got something, you guys. I got a bobber. That's not even metal. That's not even metal. Oh, check that out. Prime setup right here. This has got to be pretty new. I've got my bobber. I've got my hook. And I've got my weight. I'm all set. Now I just need a fishing pole. I think I got something. What is that? Oh my god. You guys. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? First of all, ew. Check this out. This is brand spanking new. Oh my god. Oh, maybe not brand spanking new, but it is new. Oh my god. You guys. Whoa. Somebody was clearly using this and it must have just fell out of their hands. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now, you guys. This is in such good shape. Oh my god, look at this. Holy cow. Oh, I am freezing, but I am so glad I'm still here. I can't believe it. Oh my god, you guys. It's a broken pair, but it's a pair. And I got some weights on there too. Holy cannoli. They probably would have worked. Well, maybe not. That's trash. Oh, I see something. I see something. No way. It's another pair of scissors. Oh my goodness. Check it out. Oh man, these are actually still in good shape. Look at them, they're basically new. You know what, let me clean that off a little bit. I can't believe I got 2 pairs of scissors. Look at that. That is totally usable. Awesome. Alright, I think I got something. You guys. I got another. Oh my god. Holy cow. Check that out. I'm assuming it's a fishing knife, but it could always be a murder weapon. Oh wow. What's that say? Morris? I have no idea. Something Tinland. You guys, I guess this is a personally engraved knife. I don't know if any of you can read that. Can you read that? Holy cow. This is the honey spot. Check that out. Somebody's car is going off over there. Oh, that is such a nice knife, you guys. Look at that handle. I wonder if this belongs to somebody that we can track down. I'm gonna try. That's so cool. Awesome. Alright. Oh, I got stuff. Oh, look at that lure. Oh, check it out. Whoa. No way. No way. I got nail clippers, you guys. Oh, that's falling apart. I got nail clippers and this awesome lure. You all know red is my favorite color, as you can tell from the logo. But look at that. How cute. Oh, super cool. This is an awesome spot right here, you guys. What is that? Ew, another one of those. Yuck. It's all like swollen. Ugh. Yuck. But the hook looks good. I'm gonna pull that out. Check it out. My hands are shivering, you guys. Wow. Oh man, what a day. I'm hooked on something. What is it? What is that? Oh my god, you guys. What is this? Even for? Look at this. Little pinchers. Is that fishing related? Guys, what is this for? Pulling a hook out of the mouth? I don't know. That's so cool. That is certainly a first. I thought it was like a surgical instrument initially. That is so cool. I have no idea what that is, but I love it. You guys, it is so cold today. My hands are freezing. I've been shivering for the past maybe 2 hours. So I'm just about ready to go home. Overall, amazing day today. Lots of really cool finds. I got my second cell phone, which is unreal. I got 2 pairs of scissors, a knife, a Swiss Army knife. Today's just been so good. So I am really happy with how the day turned out. I got super lucky today and I just kept going and going, and it, oh man, just goes to show that with a little perseverance, you're gonna be successful, especially when doing this, and patience. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was a little more toned down today because I am so cold, but that's okay. Lots of awesome finds and hopefully more to come. Bye.